and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a Christmas wreath using clothespins. And what you need for this project is a wreath ring found at your local craft store, about 50 clothespins, and some paint of your choice. So for this project we're using green and red. And optional is also to use stickers to decorate after. So everybody has their clothespins and we're ready to start painting them. So we have our paint in our cups and we're getting some paintbrushes.
Do you do it this way or this way? This way?
Alright, so I made my first one and we're gonna just keep making these. So we decided we were going to paint all our sides, so if you don't want to get your hands dirty, I don't really recommend this project, but it's really fun and we're almost done with all of our clips. Alright, so we're putting them in order, so we have Holiday first, then Grass, then Hunter, and we're going to put them on the ring. Alright, so we're almost done putting on all the clothespins and we'll show you when it's done. The last one. Done.
Hedgehog!
After you finish the base of your wreath, you can put on whatever you want. We put some ribbon and some light stickers to make it look more festive.